Hey guys, this week's episode is kind of a continuation of last week's. I guess they're all continuations, except the Wednesday episodes. That's more of an anthology series taking place in the same universe with the same characters. Character me. Anyways, this is a Triceraton who was also in the Dark Knight or Night of the Dark Turtle episode, and I did the Dark Turtle last week. But anyway, he's broken and he's missing a tail, so I'm gonna try to fix him. To start, I'm loosening the glue with some rubbing alcohol. I'm just rubbing it on, but then that's not really working, so I mix it with some boiling water and then add some more boiling water and leave them for a few minutes. Cue crossfade. Oh wow, from steaming bowl to steaming bowl. Crossfade probably wasn't necessary. I ended up popping his legs off to make it easier to pry him apart, and I'm using this weird scalpel tool, which is also a saw. It's a handle with attachments, but it's got this bit that's good for prying, and I'm just trying to chip away and pry open his torso. And once I get it started all around, I use a screwdriver to gently get some leverage and pry him apart. Now that he's apart, I figure out which pieces were the broken pieces, and then I decided to sand before I start gluing. The tail and leg joints should slide into a piece sticking out in the middle, but they were broken and don't stay on, so I use super glue to hold them in place. I couldn't appear physically in today's episode because, reasons, but those are my hands and this is my voice. So, I considered computer narration, but I can't afford the software. Anyway, so I break a toothpick into some pieces and I'm gluing those to kind of replace the broken parts and help hold everything together. Then I add a small piece of foam to help hold the toothpicks together, all with a lot of super glue. And then when I decided to put the torso back together, I didn't use any glue. I snapped it in place and it stayed together nicely. And, it's a cheaper type of foam clay to make his tail. I like it the same reason that makes it cheaper is the same that makes it good for this. It has little balls of foam in the clay foam, which work really well to recreate the texture of his scales. Now it's the next day and I'm painting it orange. And after that dries a bit, I'm touching up the other little areas that were chipped or just the paint wasn't proper. In other news, on Wednesday I announced a reaction figure Casey Jones giveaway. Casey Jones reaction figure, however you want to say it, but he's mint on card, unpunched, and to enter, just be subscribed, like this video, and drop a comment with the word Goongla down in the comment section. The draw will be held on Friday, August 13th, and hope to see you there. Well, I'll be here, you'll be wherever you are. Then I give him a quick clear coat, quick as I can, because it's really the most boring part, I think. And after I did all that and he was sealed up, I thought, why not give him a wash? I've come this far. So instead of my regular black wash, I tried to mix in a little orange and black and water. And then I put it on and wipe it off, and put it on and wipe it off. But the orange didn't really do anything, it just looked like a black wash anyway. Anyway, I went a little too far with the wash, so I'm just using some orange paint to touch it up a bit and make them a little brighter. I guess that's it. This is the finished piece. Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.